The last time I did a video about Tinubu being the Messiah of Nigeria, Obedient nearly slaughtered me. They insult the living day out of me. In fact, so I received some calls. Some people are saying, why will I say Tinubu is the Messiah? Why will I call Tinubu the Messiah? It was just an opinion. I slept about it and I thought maybe you never can tell. Maybe Tinubu might just be the Messiah. It might be wrong. But have you come to think of it again, the other way around? The election was not done the way they told us that it's going to be done. Yes, what I'm saying is that INEC and Professor Mahmoud did not justify the use of the 300 billion naira they gave them for the election. Why am I saying that? It now brings me back to my point for today. Because whatever I will do, I will like to create a balance. Because last time, what I said was Tinubu might be the Messiah. I might be wrong. That is why I'm here today, to correct the narrative. Now, the election was not done the way they told us that it's going to be done. Using the money, which means making the election real time. From the polling unit, the Beavers is supposed to transmit the results live stream in the coalition center. But this was not done. The election recorded a lot of manipulations in some regions whereby voters were manipulated to vote who they never wanted to vote in the first place. So many people have been intimidated. Election results was manipulated in so many states. That is why His Excellency Peter Obi has gone to court. Now, the court is yet to decide. But let us tell ourselves the truth. Judging by Peter Obi's record, he has been consistent in terms of clean record. Yes, nobody, so far so good, he has been saying they should go and verify. Since he has said they should go and verify, I have never seen anybody that came out and said Peter Obi has a corruption case. Even EFCC of present came out and said Peter Obi don't have any bad record. So far so good that they have checked. They have not found any bad record. That if they find anything, they will let Nigerians know. But they have not found anything, which means the man is not corrupt. And what do we need now in a country as Nigeria? For all we are facing, we need somebody that is not corrupt. Somebody that has a very clean record, because internationally, Nigeria is seen as a very corrupt country. That is why Americans have not even congratulated Tinubu in the first place. So you see, if Peter Obi was the president, if Peter Obi was the one that won the election, definitely America must have congratulated him, because they know his profile. They know that he is not even corrupt. So what we need now in Nigeria as a country is a man that is credible. And Peter Obi seems to be that man that is credible. Because if Tinubu don't have bad record, by now they will not be fighting. They will not be saying, he must become the president. They should congratulate him by force in his birthday. They are protesting that his mandate is not a stolen mandate. If it's Peter Obi that won the election, the joy in the country would have been different. Yes, there will be celebration in the country. Tinubu won. Everywhere is quiet. There are even the Tinubu supporters are even praying, doubting that God should help, let him be sworn in. If it's right, if the mandate is not stolen, you don't have to pray for him to become the president or swear in on May 29. No. But Peter Obi is one man that he has okay, now listen to what I want to say now. No, what I want to say, quote me wrong. They say the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Am I wrong or right? If the youth are the leaders of tomorrow, the youths have said this is our choice. Why can't you just grant the youth their choice? Since they are the leaders of tomorrow, it's simple. Why must it be for your selfish interest? Because what I come to understand for this matter is that Tinubu supporters are doing this because of their selfish interest. But Peter Obi supporters are doing this because of the betterment of the country. So if I'm going to stand, I'm going to stand for the betterment of the country. Because the country has to move forward. This has gone beyond individual pockets. It is now a national interest that the country must be removed from bondage. That is what I'm saying. So the last video I did, people did not even understand that I will get to this point when I'm going to. It's an argument. I will do this and I will do that. I have done that one. Now I'm correcting the narrative. This Tinubu's mandate is in doubt. If you ask me, Peter Obi is the only candidate that have organic vote. There is no vote buying in Labour Party. Other parties have proven over the years that they buy vote. And they intimidated voters. For the fact that INEC did not even do what they promised, which is using the beepers, it means the election is not even correct in the first place. So automatically they have to even do another election. In the real sense, I said it. So what I'm saying is that Tinubu mandate might be in doubt. Peter Obi might just be the best candidate to arrange the reputation of the country internationally because they see us like thieves. So Peter Obi is the only man that can help us rebrand the pace of the country internationally. Like I said the last time, my name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. If you like, Google me. If you like, don't Google me. I have made my point. Thank you.